Most animals avoid waste because it carries parasites and disease. While some, such as flies, feed on it briefly, this beetle does something different. It builds its entire life cycle around it. This is the dung beetle, a type of scarab. Dung beetles live on every continent except Antarctica. They occur wherever large land mammals leave dung, from savannas and forests to deserts and grazing farmland. Dung is a concentrated resource. It contains moisture, microbes, and partially digested plant material. Adult beetles feed mainly on the liquid and microbe-rich portion, instead of remaining at the pile. Many species cut off a portion and use their legs and head to shape and compact it into a firm ball that can roll without falling apart. In some species, the strength involved is extreme. Onthophagus taurus has been measured pulling about 1,141 times its own body weight. A fresh dung pile attracts competitors, so moving the ball away reduces the risk of theft. In southern Africa, Scarabaeus satyrus rolls in a straight line using the sun during the day and the Milky Way at night. It can also use wind direction and polarized moonlight to stay oriented. The beetle climbs until the ball briefly adjusts its direction and continues forward. When the beetle finds suitable soil, it buries the dung ball underground. It forms a sealed chamber around the ball and lays a single egg inside it. The larva feeds on the stored dung and completes its development there before emerging as an adult. Scarabaeus sacer, common in North Africa, performs this process during the day and orients using the sun. As beetles repeat this behavior across landscapes, dung moves from the surface into the soil. Parasite breeding declines, pest fly numbers decrease, nutrients return to the ground. On grazing land and cattle farms, this improves soil structure and helps maintain pasture quality. In ancient Egypt, these same visible actions shape how people understood the beetle. Egyptians linked the rolling of dung balls across the sand to the god Khepri, the god of the rising sun. They observed young beetles emerging from buried dung balls and interpreted this as cell creation. From this belief, the scarab came to represent rebirth in the cycle of life. Scarab-shaped objects were made as amulets. Seal scarabs were used as stamps. Heart scarabs were placed on mummies and inscribed with spells from the Book of the Dead, asking that the heart not testify against the deceased before the god Osiris. Large stone scarabs still stand at the Karnak temple complex. The dung beetle is unusual not for what it eats, but for how its behavior shaped both the land and ancient belief.